Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how you can partially close our position in Delta Exchange India. As you can see right now, 10 lots of BTC USD is running. Firstly, I will teach you how you can apply target and stop loss on this running position. As you can see here, there is an option of add. As soon as you will click on add, there is an option where you will be able to take profit and also place your stop loss. What I will do, I will just click on limit and place my target and 1 lakh. 1 lakh dollar on trigger price and 1 lakh dollar on limit as well. This is how my take profit will be set. Now let's suppose I also want to place my stop loss because it is one of the very important thing to do. So I will place my stop loss at $95,000 as well as my limit will be at $95,000. So my exit PNL will come to around 10.64 and stop limit will come to around 39.34. This is just for representation. Okay. And as soon as I will click on confirm, you can see I have already applied target and stop loss both. Now, let's suppose out of this 10 lots, I want to partially close position. There are two ways via which you can do it. First way, you can obviously put a reverse order. I will click on sell for reverse. I will click on mark and I will select 5 lot. This is how I can partially close the position. As soon as I will click on sell, this 10 lots will be reduced down to 5 lots. This is the first way. The second way is you can just select on cross. As soon as you will click on cross, there is an option via which you can select 50% of the lot size, which is 5, as you can see. So you can partially close your position as well as you can select the best bid, which is right now 97,133. My expected loss for 50% of the quantity is around 9.01. As soon as I will click on confirm, you can see this 10 lots has been reduced to 5 because I have partially closed my position. So this is how you can partially close your position via these two methods. I hope you found this video very helpful and you will surely use these features to your benefit. Thank you once again.